In front of me is POCO M5, and today I would like to show you where you can find all text correction options located on this device. First of all, just access Settings and scroll down. Then choose Additional Settings. Over here you need to tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keywords, and Gboard. Then tap on Text Correction, and as you can see, all text correction features are located over here. In order to turn on or off one of them, just click on the sweater next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!